guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix is your mouse cursor scroll is working way too slow, very slow on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So this video is only for you, so please watch this video till and very carefully. So by the end of the video you can able to fix this problem issue 100%. Okay, so let's get started one by one. So first you need to check your mouse scroll speed settings. Okay, to check this guys, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, from the left panel go to Bluetooth and devices, and in the right panel scroll down. Here you need to find out the mouse. Okay, scroll down. Here you can get the option roll the mouse wheel to scroll. You need to select the multiple lines at the time. Okay, also you can able to adjust the line to scroll at a time. Okay, by the help of this scale, as you can see guys in my screen. Also you need to enable the inactive window. Okay, you need to enable this option. After this guys, here you can also check the additional mouse settings. Just open it, go to wheel, and here you can get the option to customize the scroll wheel settings. Okay, from here, and then click on OK. That's it. Now it will fix your problem 100%. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem issue, now what you need to do, if you are using any third-party customization app to customize your mouse cursor or mouse settings, you need to uninstall it from your PC. Okay, so sometime it will also create this type of problem issues. That's why you need to uninstall it. After doing this guys, you need to also update your PC. To update the PC, go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on check for updates, and if the update is available, simply go ahead update the PC. So after updating, it will also update your mouse driver as well. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to check your mouse scroll speed. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to remove mouse USB cable from the USB port and insert it on another port. This will also helps you to fix your problem. Also, one more thing you need to do, you need to disable all running apps in the background. To disable it, open the task manager. Here you can get the running apps. If you want to disable anyone, just right click on it and click on end task. That's it. Okay, so one more thing you can do guys, you can update your mouse driver from the device manager. Open the device manager on your PC like this, and here you need to extend mice and other pointing devices. Just need to select your mouse driver from here, right click on it, go to update driver. Here you can get the two option to update your mouse driver. First is online, second is offline. You need to try this both method one by one. After doing these guys, it will definitely fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you need to check your mouse physical scroll wheel button, if the scroll wheel was damaged or not. Also you need to check your mouse battery. If you are using the wireless mouse, you need to check your battery as well. Okay, so these are the easy and basic simple solution to fix this problem. So that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.